I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the update goes cleanly. First, make sure your iPhone model supports the Siri update and that you have a current iOS backup in iCloud or Finder. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power if battery is below 50%. Now open Settings and go to General. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. This permits voice and personalized settings to sync during the update. You'll download the iOS update that contains Siri improvements. In Settings General Software Update, tap Download and Install. If storage is low, remove large apps or offload media first. Make sure you allow the device time to verify the download. This can take several minutes. Once installed, your iPhone restarts. During setup, Siri components finish installing and reindex voice models. If you prefer hands-off, enable automatic updates. You complete the process by confirming Siri settings and testing functionality. Open Settings Siri and search to set language, voice, and personal requests. Then say Hey Siri and try a few commands, plus press the side or home button to invoke Siri manually. If responses seem degraded, toggle Listen for Hey Siri and press side/home for Siri off. Wait 10 seconds, then enable them again and restart the phone. This restart often clears residual issues and reboots the voice model successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.